이거 뭐요? 오, 한국 슈퍼요? 뭐 때문에 슈퍼요? 슈퍼하지 마세요.
Hello again. Today's Konglish is cheer up. Of course, cheer up is English, but I often hear it used in the wrong situation. We only say cheer up when someone is sad. We can use it as an order to comfort someone.
Cheer up, you'll pass next time.
Or to describe a change of mood.
That movie really cheered me up.
Be careful when you use cheer up as an order. If you say it softly to a friend, it's okay. But if you say it to a stranger, it can be rude. It's like saying, I don't like your miserable face. Cheer up.
Cheer up, mate.
Now, if you want to support your team, or give someone encouragement, you don't cheer them up, you cheer them on.
I want to go to Anfield to cheer on the Reds. You should cheer on your friends when they sing karaoke.
Or you might cheer to celebrate, or to express joy when something good happens.
Everyone cheered when Salah scored. The crowd cheered wildly when BTS appeared on stage.
So, in summary, only say cheer up when someone is sad.
Cheer up.
When you support your team, or you want to encourage someone to do well, you cheer them on. And when something good happens, you cheer to celebrate. Okay, that's all for today. Now try this quiz for practice, and I'll see you next time. Bye.